Editors who have a job where they go into other people's homes. What's the strangest thing you've seen? I used to deliver oxygen to people's homes and I saw plenty of weird things. Lots of hoarders, but this one took the cake. The guy didn't want to let me into his house, but I had to do a home safety assessment before I could set up the equipment. He was anxious about letting me in because his house was a mess. He kept telling me about how messy it was and kept trying to stall. Come to find out, it wasn't just messy. It was filled with 200 chickens. He was a circus performer and was too proud of his show chickens and wouldn't let them live in a barn or coop. The smell was unbearable. Other than that though, he was a super nice guy.